up? What's poppin'? How you doing? I wasn't really planning to do this video, but we got a package that I got from Aliexpress. If you guys don't know what Aliexpress is, it is like an Amazon, but basically they're all the way in China. So everything that you buy there, it takes so much time before it comes here in America. This took like a month to arrive here, so I don't even remember like the stuff that I ordered. I remember a couple of things, like I think I got an earrings and a keychain. I know, a keychain. It's so random. I buy the weirdest thing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Like I said, I wasn't planning to do this video, but I was like, why not? Like everything is here. Like usually it will come like one by one, and I do not have any patience for me to like wait till I got everything. Let's go open these. Oh, and also if you guys see something in the back, I'm also gonna show you guys that, but let's just wait until I open all these and I'll explain the stuff right there. But before we start though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Alrighty guys, it looks like a lot, but it's all little things. Everything cute, add to cart. Alright, so let's open this first. Alright, what did I get? Ooh, yes. Alrighty guys, I cannot get enough of hoop earrings, and these are like a normal size, you know? And surprisingly, this one doesn't rust that fast. Yeah, this is what the size reference is. Alright, let's go look at the next package. Alright, this feels like the keychain that I bought. I'm laughing because what was I thinking? I remember buying two kinds, one for me and one for my boyfriend. It's a hype beast keychain. Oh, I was laughing, but like it is so adorable. Wow, oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like. It has that cause Elmo, and then it says I'm stuck on you. Lego right here and a chain. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. It's so cute. And I'm gonna open another one. I know I bought two that is like cause related. Is it this one? I think it's this one. I'm surprised. I thought that would be a fail, but I ended up liking it. Oh, and this is the other one. All right, this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it also says I'm stuck with you. Oh my gosh, I love this one too. It's like the same vibe. Oh my gosh, I love it. One for me, one for my boyfriend. It will be like our keychain. Wow. Ooh, this one is fancy. It has like a pouch. Wow, what is this one? Okay. It has a cloth. It's another earrings for sure. I think I bought a lot of earrings in here, like 3. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. This is what it looks like. It is just a small hoop. I think it will be so cute if I changed my very last earring to this one. And I love that it came in this little package. Oh my gosh, yes, it's finally here. So as you guys know, I got an Apple Pen 2nd generation, and I was gonna buy some in Amazon, but I also found one in Aliexpress, and so I got one in there. This one is yellow. This is so special because it has that cat ears right there. Do you guys see that? It's like the little things. I ordered another one and it's different color and different style. Oh my god, this one is also so cute. Do you guys see that? This is also adorable. I love that. And I love that ears right there. It's so adorable. And this is the other one. I think we have a winner. Those leaf on top of it, it's so cute. And it's perfect because I love green right now. Like green is my color right now. I love that. Ah! What is this? Oh my gosh. The chain things for your like mask. Every time you take it out, you don't have to put it in your purse. I can just lay it right there. From the website, the chain looks so big, but this is what I got. I'm gonna show you. This chain looks so small. I thought I'm gonna have those thick ones. I'm not that mad because these are actually cute as well. All right, so whenever I put my mask on, there you go. All right, let's open another one. What is this? They gave us a cloth and those bags as well as this earring, like a pearl earring. So that is nice. But this is the one that I actually bought. I see this as an everyday earring. It's not obnoxious or anything. It's just like a thin oval earrings. And finally, we are in our last package and I do not know what this is. Like, I forgot what this is. Did I buy these? I got a phone case. and it's so bright, and this is what it looks like. Let me go get my phone. Let's go try it out. So this is what my case looks like right now. It's the Adidas, and it's the glass material, and it literally makes my phone so heavy. Also, I am so sad because look at my phone, you guys. The back is cracked. There you go. It's so bright, but you guys can see my cracked phone right there. And that's it for the Aliexpress haul. So the next thing that we're gonna open are these Louis Vuitton right here. Just a disclaimer, these are actually not mine, these are my parents', but I do want to film it in front of you guys because just in case you guys are interested on like buying these, because I know for a fact that these kind of videos helps me every time like I do like a big purchase. It is also a great gift for your mom or your dad or your boyfriend, your girlfriend, kind of researching and knowing like that's what you really want or that's what you really want to give. Let's go open this. I'm so excited. So let's open this small thing. This is actually my dad. So what we're about to open is the Louis Vuitton Slender ID wallet. So let's go open it. Oh my gosh, like this is so much fun. Even though it's not mine. I love unboxing. Like, I don't know, like this is like a thing for me. I just love it. Anyways, so there you go. Here's the dust bag. So this one actually has a retail of $475. So it is a great gift for your special loved ones. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Like wallet, they use it every day. It is so compact and slim, and it says right there Louis Vuitton Paris, one flap right there. It just smells like the Louis Vuitton store. And so yeah, this is what it looks like. If you guys are planning to give this to your loved ones, I think it is worth it. It is so nice. But anyways, I'm gonna put this back nicely. Let's move forward to this messenger bag. This is the Louis Vuitton South Bank messenger bag. Anyways, let's go open them. It's so big. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Like I should have like set up my usual like unboxing setup so that I can do this properly. I just didn't think about it. And there you go. Here is the box. Nothing really special. So here it is. Here's the dust bag, and oh my gosh, this is what it looks like. Like this is so nice. This is so perfect for my mom because she loves this kind of bag. And this is the only canvas print that is available, which is the Damier Ebene. And the current retail price of this is $1,520. I love the red lining right there. And I love that the hardware of this is gold. This is what it looks like inside. I love the red lining. If you guys didn't see my mini pochette unboxing, like I'm in love with the red interior. Like you can see everything inside like so easily because it's red interior, and it just says right there Louis Vuitton Paris. We do have this textile card and these other tags that I still don't know what these are for. It also has a pocket in front, you know, you can put your phone right there for easy access. There's a tag right there with 2 gold studs right there. Like I'm so happy for my mom because this is so her. I love that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. And also before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye. Bye.